What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexis Hair, and today I am back with Elfin Hair. I'm gonna put y'all on today. I recently blew out my hair and I fell in love with these Kinky straight clip-ins that Elfin Hair sent me. They sent me two sets of 16 inches and an 18-inch bundle. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys the two main styles that I did with these Kinky straight clip-ins, and also how to do a super seamless install when it's not super bulky and just looking super noticeable. So the first style is going to be a half up, half down. So I am parting off my one section for the half up part. I'm going to tie that away, and then you'll basically see me braiding the back of my hair into two braids so that I can bobby pin them up. So if you guys do decide to shop Elfin Hair, make sure you guys are using the code LH10. That's going to give you $10 off of your order. Now, I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I'm loving the fact that my hair is definitely growing, but these clip-ins kind of got me wanting to blow out my hair a little bit more. This is only my second time blowing out my hair since my big chop in March. So I just really want to see the growth and then clip my ends as well. And then this was basically my go-to style the entire time my hair was blown out. I probably wore it out by itself like 1 to 2 days. You see me bobby pinning my two plaits to the back of my head, and I'm just going to apply the clip-ins literally right over these plaits so that it's super flat and I don't have to worry about my hair getting tangled in between. So for this style, I ended up using almost a complete 2 bundles of the clip-ins. The only clips that I didn't use was the ones that came with 1 clip. I used a couple of the 2 clips, but I had a couple of those left. So you guys will just see me basically applying the clip-in wefts with the 3 clips and the 4 clips, and also a 5 clip over top of my braid so that I can get that super flat, seamless, half up, half down look. So I just ran my flat iron over the hair just a little bit to get the little waves out of it. But for the top half, I decided to try this new ponytail method. So what I'm basically doing is applying the clip-ins in the way that my ponytail is going to go. So the first or the last clip that I'm going to apply is the one in the back. So the one in the back, I'm applying it backwards. After I do this one, I'm going to start at the front of my head, part some hair off, and then apply the clip-ins going back so that it'll just be a super seamless ponytail. Nothing sticking out. It doesn't look super bulky. It's just super duper flat. So for the ponytail, this is the only part of the hairstyle where I actually left my hair out a little bit. So I'm applying the weft, parting out some of my hair to go in between, and then just applying another weft in between. And I did this the whole way through for the ponytail. So now that the clip-ins are complete, I can pull up my ponytail. As you guys can see, it's super seamless. I'm going to spray some of my Ponytail hairspray. I didn't really want to put gel into my hair since it was blown out. I didn't want it to curl up, so I sprayed the Ponytail hairspray around like the perimeter of the ponytail, brushed out my edges a little bit so that I can later on style those, and then I'm just going to pull it up into a ponytail. So before finishing up the top part of the ponytail, I'm just going to go in with my wand curler and just doing a couple of wand curls at the bottom half of the hair. And literally the only part of my hair that's out as far as the back goes is the little part of hair that's over top of the last weft at the top. So now that my wand curls are done, I'm just going to take a little chunk out of the ponytail, and I'm going to take that and wrap that around the base of the ponytail so that you can't see my hair tie. So I was going to use a bobby pin, but I ended up just wrapping it around really tight and it ended up staying. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and finish up by wand curling the ponytail so that everything is wavy all around. So to basically lock the curls in and make everything look kind of uniform, I went in with my small tooth comb and just kind of like brushed out the curls a little bit so it could look more wavy than curly. And then I'm going to go in with my small flat iron curler and I'm going to curl my edges just a little bit. I be seeing the girls do this on TikTok all the time, so I wanted to try it myself. This is my first time actually trying it and I actually loved it. So just curling my edges and then going in with my One Collection edge control, and then I'm just going to use that to kind of like slick the edges, make it do what it'll do, give me a little swoops and loops. Y'all know how it go. After the edges, the half up, half down was pretty much complete. This was my first go-to style, but now we're gonna hop into the sleek ponytail. So I'm starting off, this is actually the next day, but I wanted to give you guys two styles in one video. I'm unwrapping my blowout, and I'm starting off straight from the back, and I'm parting kind of like in a U. And with that U, I'm going to apply the clips upside down. I'm going to flip the hair down and part another U, put another weft, part another U, another weft, and I'm just going to do that all the way up to probably like the middle of my head, and then I'll tell you guys more about the method when I get to the top. Alright, so now that we're halfway up to the head, I'm going to reverse and start parting in the front like I did with the last style, and then I'm going to apply the clip-ins going back. So the bottom half, the clip-ins are going up, and then the top half, the clip-ins are going back, so that it creates a super seamless ponytail. Nobody will ever be able to tell that you even have clip-ins in. I actually wore the ponytail for like a couple of days, just styling it different ways. So I really love this style. All right, so everything is in. We're good to go. I'm just gonna pull out my edges a little bit so that I can style them towards the end. But I'm going to pull the hair in a ponytail in a second, and you guys will be able to see how seamless this clip-in install really is. Elfin Hair really did their thing. Number one, the clip-ins match very well with just naturally textured hair. I've gotten a couple of kinky straight clip-ins where the kinky straight was not kinky straighting. It wasn't matching my hair texture. So I didn't have to do much to the hair at all. Just a little bit of straightenings to get the little kinks out. And it just looks super good. I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see how flat it is. It's not bulky at all, and it just looks super natural. So definitely a favorite style of mine. So after putting the hair into a ponytail, I'm going to use my flat iron just to add a little curls to the bottom, nothing serious, and then I'm just gonna like fluff them out with my hand. Now that we have the ponytail pretty much done, I'm going to curl my edges again. I don't recommend doing this a lot because of course, you know, the heat can cause damage, but it was for the sake of the video. Curling the edges, and I'm going to go on my edge control, swoop the loop, and do everything I need to do for these edges, and then we'll pretty much be good to go. For this ponytail style, I decided not to add any hair around the base of the ponytail holder because I wanted it to look more so like I just got my hair blew out and it's mine. So it definitely gave that, and I got a lot of compliments on this hair. But make sure you guys use that code LH10 if you guys decide to order from Elfin Hair. I really loved these clip-ins, and it was really fun for me. Just because sometimes when you're growing your hair back after big chopping, you get kind of bored with doing the same stuff. So this, I did add a little bit of variety to the pot. So I was really feeling it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later.